Alright, we're doing the 2 rooms basically, and using the Challenger pad. We just pre-sprayed, and we got the Challenger pad driver on there. We're trying it on a job here. We decided to video this one. These carpets don't look too bad, so there's not going to maybe be a huge transformation in the look. Just a basic cleaning.
There's a little dirt in them, but since they're brown, you can't see it. Yeah, it's deceptive, so.
Alright. Now, I'm going to put links in the video description for the stuff we're using and how to get a hold of.
Oh yeah, the big that's a pan.
Yeah, Corey Thibodaux is the one selling these pads and the pad driver, and I'll give you his phone number so you call and leave him a text message on his phone number if you want to order some of these. And we love them so far; they're great.
They are great, and the pad driver's good too.
Yeah, the pad driver's really
awesome actually.
They make a nice system when used together with an Oreck. So
I never liked Velcro pad drivers until this one came along.
This one's good.
It's a good pad driver, yeah.
You don't have to mess with stuff.
Pad drivers, but this one is different.
Yeah, and you can see, as I say, it's a nice day outside. A little bit cool.
Now there's 3 bedrooms here.
We're not going to show one of them. We're just going to show the 2 small ones.
We can, but yeah.
The main bedroom.
The bigger one, they're all not really trash, but the bigger one has the lighting in it as well. So
yeah, I'm not going to bother showing in there.
We'll do these 2, and then probably end the video. It'll be shorter, but it'll be to the point. Yeah, these Challenger bonnets, they are nice.
Yeah, they're working really good so far.
We used that one, when we put it in a bucket of water for about, I don't know, an hour.
The water was black.
I mean, there was 4 gallons in a 5-gallon bucket, and it was black. That water, I mean, they drew a lot of stains out of the carpet. Okay. These bonnets truly are the real.
Go right here, check right here, just a little bit more. Kind of, my eyes probably playing tricks on me a little bit.
No, it's probably a little wear, okay. Something like that.
I'll put some peroxide down on this once we're done. I'll spray it down real good. I'm gonna pause the camera here. We got to pre-spray the next room.
Yeah, we'll pre-spray, start right back up
and we'll be back.
It'll be a second in your world. So.
Yeah, I'll be back in just a second. So stay tuned. All right, we're in our next little room here. Just pre-sprayed.
We have a lot of people contact us and ask us, how do you get a hold of Challenger to get these bonnets and pad driver? We're not selling these things for Challenger. They're Challenger's products, but we're selling them for Corey Thibodaux.
Yeah, we'll have you get in touch with him, and then he'll help you out.
He can get in touch with Challenger easier than you can. Corey,
yeah, he knows how to get through all the red tape.
So just contact Corey. He'll be a link to his name in the video, and Corey can get a hold of Challenger for you. So please don't ask us how to get a hold of Challenger, because we're going to say through Corey Thibodaux, through the link in the video. That's what we're going to tell you, because we're not going to mess with Challenger.
Yeah, well, there's not a link for this. I'll just give you his phone number, and you can text message him. But they're nice. It's a nice package. These pads, you can get you either a 5-pack or a 10-pack, to start out with, and so if you want to get the pad driver and start out with like a 5-pack of pads, you can. If you get a 10-pack, you can actually have enough to do a large house without having to worry about having to stop and clean a bonnet out continue on. Yeah, I'll get around here. Trying to find a spot to get. But
to be honest with you, I don't care what anybody says, you cannot beat these 50-50 blend bonnets, because when you got 50% cotton, 50% polyester, you got all the absorption you need to the cotton.
yeah, that cotton
And the polyester, it keeps the bonnet where it lasts a whole lot longer and spins faster.
yeah, these spin real good.
You want 50-50, it's good. So don't worry about getting 100% of anything. Just, you get cotton and you get polyester with these, and that's what you want. You got long lasting, fast spinning, and tons of absorption. So,
all right, he's about done.
Yes, I am. Let me hit the door one more time.
All right. And like I said, I'm not going to show the next room because it's just there's a cat in there and stuff like that too, so I don't want to go in there and bother him.
Oh, Parrish thought of disrupting the cat.
Oh yes, the precious kitty. He's already angry at us for being here.
Probably, so. Yeah. They don't like nobody in their home.
Well, check the video description for any details, and we hope you guys enjoyed that.
Hey, we may turn it on at the end to show the bonnet. Someone said on the last one you should have showed the bonnet. When we're done, we'll show you
We'll
the
flip
bonnet.
the machine up, hold the machine up in the air, and we'll show them how it looks so far.
Here's what we got so far.
Yeah.
It's got darkness on it.
Yeah.
It's working. It's absorbing dirt.
All right. Hope you enjoyed that.
Have a good day.
Thanks for watching.